photographer, Skitty Explorer here, and today I'm going to have a little bit of a different photo challenge, but still a photo challenge in editing. So today I'm actually going to be editing some photos from a recent photo shoot. I did it in my small studio space in my garage, and she wants a lot of background edits and stuff like that. So I want to take you through the process of selecting the photos that I deem are nice and that I would love to show to the world, and then going through one of the edits of the photos. I'm not going to take you through all the edits because that's going to take some time, and we do not have all that space on a camera card or time to edit all of that for YouTube. So let's get into today's video. And so before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are new here, and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into editing these photos for my client. Let's get started and head on over to Adobe Lightroom. So I am sharing my screen. I've already imported the photos from my memory card or SD card, from my SD card onto my external hard drive, and I've already imported them into Lightroom. So the first thing I do before I go and do some selecting, I do add keyword tags and update the metadata. So let me do that really quickly. I won't do all of the keywords here, but I'm gonna do at least some of them, right? So portrait. Okay, now that I have the metadata on this photo, I didn't have them all selected, so I'm gonna just do Control A to select all the photos. I'm gonna click sync so I can sync all the metadata. It already has things that I love to sync check, so I'm gonna synchronize that so it can paste all the metadata to the other photos. Okay, so now that we have the metadata, I'm gonna go to develop so I can see one photo larger at a time, and I'm just gonna select one photo to go through them, and I'm going to X the ones that I don't like. So as you can see, there's 214 photos in here. I'm hoping to get this down to probably 20. In this case, I'm gifting. This is a photo shoot for a friend, a business partner that I have worked with and who I started with in photography a while ago. And so I wanted to gift her these photos for her upcoming birthday. So since it's not a paid photo shoot, I am not going to send a link over saying you select this or whatever. I'm gonna gift a certain amount of photos, and then if she wants some edited or something tweaked, then I'll do that. But we're not gonna do the whole process. My typical process is that I'll go through and select it down to probably like 60 to 100 photos, depending on how many I have taken and how long the photo shoot was, how many outfits and all of that jazz. But usually 60 to 100, and then I send it to the client for them to select a certain amount of photos for editing. But we're not doing that here. So let's go through. Ooh, this first one. So mind you, there is an AI tool, I forgot the name of it, that I've been wanting to use that helps you select photos. I don't have time to do that right now, but I do plan to actually try to use that and test it out in the future. But let's go through these. So X, obviously that's just checking the camera. This is checking lighting, clearly too dark. Let's see here. That one's okay. We'll leave that for a second round of review. Don't like that. Why is her arms flailing back like that? We had to work on some of her posing. So that one's really cute there. So we'll keep that. I don't know. We'll look at that. We'll look at that. I love the colors of her outfit. Really cute. Let's see. I don't know, dark. I have to move the lighting. I don't know if I like that or that. Let's see here. Oh boy. Don't like the lighting there, so we're gonna change that. Oh, that one's cute. Wish her eyes were showing there, so I don't like that one. Oh no. Not a good angle. Trying to get photos like from each setting in each outfit. She had 3 outfits. Now this one, this little outfit, the fan just kept flying up on her, flying that top up like that. But it's cute. We'll see what else. Oh, this one's cuter. See what else is gonna happen here in this selection. Okay, good. Yeah, so we can delete these because this was flying up. So I think that's gonna be like my determining factor is like, if that's flying up, that's the first one I gotta go, yeah. Okay, so this photo is gonna definitely have like a lot of AI editing because she wants like a book in the background, which is why she's turned around writing. So that's why we have that there. Absolutely not. I was just testing the camera there. Her sister fixing her crown and stuff. I'm gonna keep that there just because that's a wonderful, wholesome moment. So now I'm gonna remove these that I rejected. Let's see how many. So 136 of the 214, I'm going to remove from Lightroom. So now we're down to 78 photos. Out of these 78, I will start editing them and then I might delete them as, get rid of some as I edit. So still 78 is a lot, but yeah. So now I'm going to go find one of the photos where she wants a book background with it. So that's with the purple outfit, because she needs that to get it blown up for her upcoming birthday party. So I'm gonna do that first, and I'll show you those edits, or I'll show you while I'm editing that, and then I'll show you the final edits once I upload it into Pixieset to send to her. Okay, so now I'm gonna edit one of these photos where she wants a book in the background that she's writing on. I've already edited some of the photos in the lavender, and I'm gonna probably finish the rest of the photos later this week because I have been distracted and I'm tired and it's 10:40 p.m., but whatever. So first of all, I need to edit the photo. So I'm going to duplicate the layer. Actually, there was another one where she was writing on there. Yeah, this one. Let's try this one. So I'm gonna duplicate the layer and we are going to go to image and just adjust the shadows, highlights, brighten it up a little bit or not. Did they even do anything? Oh, okay, wait a minute. It was delayed, so let me redo that. So shadows, highlights. Take it down just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the neural filter to smooth the skin. I'm going to select the subject. Looks like mostly everything is selected. I'm going to, actually I want to duplicate this again because this one I want to remove her, and then this one we're going to select the subject again. I'm going to remove the background because we're going to put we don't want the background to be messing with her in the photo or anything like that. So we're going to remove her, the background here. We are going to move this one up and take this out. And then we are going to Command A, and go to generative fill. And I'm gonna paste this prompt in to see what it gives me. Hopefully it gives something that I like, because you know, prompts and the Gen AI, sometimes you gotta keep on tweaking. See, this isn't like, I'm gonna move this layer up above so we can see what it looks like. See, this is not tall enough here, so we are going to go back to this layer. Let's see what else it gave us. Just short there. Oh, that's good. Let's generate one more time to see if it gives something different. Like that, at least like the book goes above her head maybe. Worst case scenario, I could take that photo and do a generative expand. No, I don't like that at all. No. This one, we are going to take these 3 layers and merge those layers. Then I am going to take the cropping tool. Actually, no. What do I want to do? Yeah, I want to go back. And that's not what I was thinking about. I want to take this one, these 2, and merge these layers, just the background. Then I want to take, I'm gonna make this smaller. I'm gonna make this 10%. Then we're gonna take this. Okay. Woo. There it is. Oh my gosh. So what is happening, y'all? I thought it had froze. I thought my work was gonna be gone. It was not gonna be good. Oh my goodness. So can I move her down some? Like that. Okay. Let's crop this again. Actually I want to, let's what am I trying to do? Oh, let's flatten, merge these layers. Okay, and then we're going to crop this back down to where her legs are cut off so it won't be like awkward. Yeah, so let's flatten. I don't even have, oh, I do have this layer. So this, let's flatten these two layers. Merge these 2 layers so we can see the before and after. So that's that, and here is the original photo. We are going to save it so it can go back to Lightroom. So that's that. We'll see if she likes that book, and see if I need to find another one, but I'm going to send her over a few of the different photos with this lavender outfit on. And then, yeah, I'll get back with you later this week. So I might have on a different shirt. Okay, photographers, so I'm back. I have went through and edited all the photos that I'm going to give my client for her birthday. I can't remember how many photos there were in total. I think it was over 200, and she had 3 outfits. So I decided to give her 10 photos from each outfit. And then there was one photo where her sister was helping her, so I included that one in there. But so in total, she got 31 photos that I gifted her. And so I am in Pixieset, so I've already exported all the final photos. I used Photoshop for the retouching using the neural filter, the AI filter to help retouch, and did some other things to retouch, as you could see during the demonstration of me editing that one photo. So let me go into Pixieset so you can see the final photos. This is where and how I send my clients all of their photos. And then I'll go in the preview so we can blow them up a little bit more. So this is her gallery. When she comes to this site, it is password protected, but since I'm in as the owner, we don't have to enter a password in. And then she can come in here and see all of her photos. She can download the photos, all the photos. She can download a single photo. She can buy prints, or she can watch a slideshow. But we're just gonna scroll down and look through these photos. As you can see, this is outfit 1. And then scroll down, outfit 2. Gotta love some orange. And then outfit 3 with the blue, which is really nice. Really nice color on her. So those are the final photos for my clients. All right, photographers, so I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing how I go through and edit photos for my client. I showed you how I used a lot of different AI features to edit the one photo, and then I showed you the steps of me importing, how I go through and selecting, and then finally getting into Pixieset. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It is free for you to do so and helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you'd love to support my business even further, you can purchase a print by visiting keytoexplorer.darkroom.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.